So the West Indies ODI cricketers are currently engaged in a series with the Netherlands. Oh yes, the land of Johan Cruyff and Dennis Bergkamp and Robin van Persie and Virgil van Dijk. Now, I don't know about anybody else, but I cannot call the name of one cricketer who plays or played for the Netherlands. The point is, the Netherlands is not a cricket nation. They are what is called an associate nation. They associate with cricket, they don't really play cricket. I don't want nobody to come tell me about the West Indies. They are playing well against the Netherlands, and such man score a century, and such bowler grab 5 wickets and blah, blah, blah. Wanna stop it? Whenever I hear the Netherlands name called in sports, tell me about 4-4-2, or 5-3-2, or 5-2-2-1, and total football and blah, blah, blah. And if you're going to call some Netherlands players names, tell me about Virgil van Dijk, or Memphis Depay, or Frankie de Jong. I don't want to hear nothing about no batting and bowling and fielding and calling up West Indies' name with Netherlands. This is insulting to the rich history, tradition, and legacy of West Indies cricket. Please don't thank.